am your Google sister Priyanka Kumari. Today I am going to solve the 2020 math. So I am solving the English paper. This is the Hindi paper. So I am going to take the English paper. So this is our English. So let's begin with the first math. So this is our math. Choose the correct option in each case from the following question. So what first our question? Principal twice become the 10 years, then the rate will be simple interest per annum. So what will be this math? This math is here. So you can look here. So here answer will be 10. So how it's come I am saying you. So we will take we will take here the principal, we will take the 100 and amount be 200. So from amount principal will be decrease, mean minus. So our amount is 200 and principal is 100. So from 200 100 will increase, mean decrease, mean 100. So and we got our year, that 10 year. So because of this we put here the 10 year. Interest, mean we have to take out the rate. We have to take out the rate. So what's the formula of rate? Rate formula is this SI. This is the formula of rate. So SI into 100 by P into T. So it is our SI, mean interest. Interest we got 100 and again 10 here. So what again we get the principal. Principal is our 100. So we take in the 10 and our amount our time is 10. So because of this we put here the 10. So 100 cutted and 10 from 10 to 100 cutted mean that 10 only. So 10 is our answer. So the rate will be 10%. So this is first. Okay, well, so this answer will be 10%. Mean first number answer will be 10%. Actually it's taking the 2 much time, so I am showing you the shortcut. Next, the product of the two roots. So what's this math? This math I am showing here. This is our second math. So what is our formula? A constant term of equations, coefficients of x square. Mean first we will take the normal number. Normal number mean this one. Matlab C and A. Our formula will be C and A. So what was our C and what is our A? C is 3 and x mean 1 only. So because of this the answer will be 3. So this is our answer. Next, third number sums. This is second number sums. So second number, this is answer. Next, third number sums. The length of two cones A, B and CD of a circle, center 0 are equal. Angle AOB equals to 16 degree. Then angle COD is how much? So this is our answer here. So this is our diagram. When we will put here the circles, we know that the equal cone of a circle subtend equal angle at the center. Mean AOB. Here we get the AOB. AOB equals to how much? So COB also is 16. This is also a 16. So our answer will be 16. So this answer will be 16 here. Number 4 question. The ratio of a volume 2 right circular cone 1 is ratio 4 and ratio of the radii mean the radius of their bases 4:5. Then the ratio will be height. Height का ratio कितना होगा? So here is our sum. Here is our sum. What we are taking? Mean here we get the 2 ratio, mean 2 radius. First 4 and 5. So we will take out the two radius. And what is the main? We have to put out the height. So because of height we have to take the volume 1 and volume 2, because we get the 2 numbers 4 and 5. So because of this we put the volume 1 and volume 2. So what's our ratio? 1:4. So it is our formula of volume. This is and this is, mean both are the volume, but we take number that is a differ. Mean number, first number 1 and second number is 2. Because of this we put 1:4. So here 3 cutted. 3 cutted. So whatever comes that we put here. So our ratio will be as remaining, mean 1:4. So here also 1:4. So what we get r square, and here is also r square. So both are the similar. So because of this it's also cutted here. So next h1 by h2. So we put here h1 and h2. It is same as we put here. So radius 2 both radius are same. So because of this r square by r1. So our whole square we put here the whole square. Next 1/4 into 5/4, because we get here we got our number 5/4, and if we will do 5 into 5 24, 4 into 4 means 64. So because of this h1 equals to h2 equals to 25 by 64. This is our answer. In the paper this is our answer. 25:64. So this is D number is our answer. Next number sum, number 5. If sin theta minus cos theta equals to 0, and sec theta plus cosec theta equals to x, then what is the value of x? So mean here how we will put out the value of x. So there is your sums. Here is your sums. First we get our sine and cos, so because of this we put here sine and cos. Next we have to separate them, mean after that we have to separate this both of them. So sine का क्या होता है? Sine का sine means cos, as like a tan cot, so sine is cos. So when we will change, we will take the 90 degree. So because of this we put it here the 90 degree minus theta. So again what happened, theta comes here, 90 is here, means sine actually it cut it here, so theta comes and 19 degree minus theta, means sine cut it, so what the remaining, whatever remain, that we put here. So both theta comes together, so it's come the 2 theta and 19 as usual as we put here. So again what happened, again we will take this number because here it sums the end. Here this sums end, मतलब फर्स्ट नंबर का जो सम्स है वो एंड हो गया. अब सेकेंड नंबर, तो सेकेंड नंबर में व्हाट वी हैव टू पुट, वी हैव टू फाइंड द एक्स. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी टेक द sec 45 एंड cosec 45 इक्वल्स टू एक्स. तो sec 45 का मान कितना होता है, जब हम लोग चार्ट में करते हैं तो उसका मान होता है 45. 45 का मान होता है √2 और cosec 45 का मान भी होता है √2. तो इक्वल्स टू एक्स का एक्स लाइक एज रिमेन. सो एक्स हमारा एक्स ऑलवेज कम्स फर्स्ट, एक्स हमेशा पहले आता है. डबल टू है मतलब दो ठो रूट में है तो एक टू बाहर आ जाएगा और एक टू अंदर, तो एक रूट में चला गया, एक नॉर्मल. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. सो हेयर द डी नंबर इज आवर आंसर. Number 6 sums the mode of a 1, 3, 2, 8, 10, 8, 3, 2, 8 again 8 8 is. इसमें जो भी which will be the greater number, जो ज़्यादा रहेगा सबसे ज़्यादा वो होगा हमारा आंसर. तो here only 8s are the very much, 8s are the 4 and all numbers are the not too much. So because of this 8 our answer. This is the group B. First वाला जो था वो था group A का, तो this is the B group. So let's start the maths. Filling the blanks. This is the filling the blanks. So our question. So number 2 I am making in the another section video, मतलब first one video is A and the other video is B. So I am giving this video in the other section.